Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Call of Duty Black Ops 6 error 0x1 crash, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys can do is simply just open up Steam by right clicking on it and hitting run as the administrator, and once Steam is open you can make your way over to library and you can first check to see, you can go ahead and open up Call of Duty. You can check to see if that helps fix the issue. The second method you guys can do is under library for Call of Duty, right click on Steam again, right click on Call of Duty, and then go over to installed files. From installed files you want to select the verify this game's files are installed correctly and then hit verify integrity of game files. Once that is done verifying, you can go ahead and check to see if that fixes the issue as well. The third method you guys can do is simply just restart your Wi-Fi router, or you can use an Ethernet cable instead of a wireless connection. And I do recommend using an Ethernet cable, but if you do not have access to one, you can just restart your Wi-Fi router, and you can do that by just unplugging the wire out of the router for about 30 seconds. And once that is done, you can go ahead and go over to your PC, restart it, and then once it's back up you can check to see if that fixes the issue. And once you do all of these steps, you guys should be good to go. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.